Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of weekly income ETFs, the ones that actually pay you every single week. In 2025, high-yield strategies are exploding in popularity, but not all of them are created equal. Some are sustainable and others are just too risky. In this video, I'll break down my top 3 weekly income ETFs that actually deliver this year, based on yield, sustainability, and real investor results. Let's get into it. Starting off with number 1, Granite Shares Yield Max SLTY ETF. This fund has been paying out around 45% annualized yield. That works out to roughly $8 and $9 per 1,000 invested every week. It tracks the Solana token through synthetic exposure and sells covered calls to generate income. Investors like it because it's consistent. The weekly payments have been steady, even with crypto's volatility. The trade-off is that you cap upside gains. If Solana skyrockets, you won't capture all of that growth because the fund is selling calls against it. Still, for pure income, SLTY has been one of the strongest performers in 2025. Next up is Granite Shares Yield Max RNTY ETF. This one focuses on Roblox and uses the same covered call strategy. The yield is around 40% annually, and the weekly payouts have remained stable throughout the year. The advantage is the consistent cash flow tied to a popular tech name. The risk, of course, is tied to Roblox's share price and volatility, but so far the fund's strategy has delivered what it promises: income every week without major drawdowns. And finally, we have the Yield Max TSLY ETF, which targets Tesla. This one covers a single stock that's extremely volatile, but the income stream is impressive. Yields have hovered around 35% annually, with reliable weekly distributions. The big advantage is Tesla's liquidity and the demand for options on it, which allows this ETF to maintain high premiums. The downside is if Tesla's price drops sharply, your total return could lag despite the income. But for those seeking aggressive weekly yield, TSLY remains a top pick. So those are my top 3 weekly income ETFs that actually deliver in 2025. SLTY for high crypto yield, RNTY for tech-focused income, and TSLY for exposure to a market leader with big premiums. One is high yield and exciting, another is more balanced, and the third is tied to a powerhouse brand. Weekly income sounds amazing, but always look under the hood. What's the risk? What's the strategy? And how does it fit in your portfolio? If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which weekly ETF are you holding right now, and how's it working for you? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.